Hey, you want to get paid to write articles? Well, it's Michael Cruz, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to earn $600 in 3 hours writing articles. So stay tuned. Okay, welcome back. And before I continue with how to make $600 in 3 hours writing articles, if you're into entrepreneurship, making money online, affiliate marketing, or building an online business, or pretty much creating success online, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that bell notification. That way you get notified every time I post a video. All right, so let's go ahead and get to it. So the first thing you want to do here is go to a website called textbroker.com. And it says each word counts. That's their slogan. And you want to click here where it says or hover your mouse where it says I write content. Then you want to click on payment. Once you click on payment, it's going to bring you to this page, which you can see here. With Text Broker, you can write and earn money online. Isn't that cool? This is a cool thing here because right now I don't know where you're at in the world, but right now we are in a pandemic, and some people are requiring to stay home, and this is a good way to create your own economy. Whenever you're able to work from the comfort of your home, make money online, and pretty much write your own paychecks. It's a cool skill to have, right? So that's why I'm passionate about teaching people how to really make and earn a full-time income, which you can check out my #1 recommendation on that first link in the description at any time, and you can learn how I do it. Okay, so continuing here, so when you scroll all the way down, as you can see here, you can actually make $600. I'm going to show you how to do it in 3 hours, but you can make $600 for 12,000 word article. So if you like writing 12,000 words, will be the requirement to earn that $600. So what if I told you that you don't have to even write the article, you can just speak it? I'm going to show you how in a moment. But let me show you some cool fact here. The average person speaks at 130 words per minute. So if you're speaking at that speed, a 1 hour speech will be about 7,800 words, right? Now, if you if let's say you bring it down to 6,000 words an hour, right? That would actually bring, that will give you 12,000 words, in 3 hours, right? It's actually 2 hours, but I'm going to show you what you're going to be doing to spend that extra hour. Once you have figured out, what article you're going to write about, then what you want to do, you want to open a Google Doc here, and what you want to do, you can speak the article, right? You can speak the article. So let me give you a little test here. Hey, how's it going? You see that? You see that? It's pretty much, you pretty much just typed it for me. Isn't that crazy, right? So you can use the Google Doc tool to pretty much speak your articles. You don't have to type 12,000 words. All right. So again, you're going to need roughly about 6,000 words per hour if you're speaking at a rate between 125, 150 words per minute. Once you do that, let me type it on here. So let's say you're going to spend an hour, 6,000. Just typing it out. 6,000 times 2 hours equals 12,000 words, right? 12,000 words. So 6,000 words. So you're gonna spend 6,000, per hour. You can speak it again, and if you do that in 2 hours, it's gonna give you, 12,000 words. All right. Now, the last thing you want to do, you want to come over to this website here. So this is where you're gonna spend that last hour. That third hour, you're gonna spend pretty much connecting to the site here, and this site right here is called Grammarly.com. So if you head over to Grammarly.com, it's actually gonna allow you to correct any grammatic errors, right? So once you do that, once you create the article, right? Once you speak it, you can go to the site here, and all you gotta do is pretty much bring it to the site, submit it, and it will correct any grammatic errors, and then you're ready to submit it to Text Broker. So you take it back to Text Broker, and guess what? You're gonna be paid up to $600. You can earn, if you love writing articles, you can earn up to $600 $100, and that's how you do it in just 3 hours. So let me summarize it for you very quick. So again, the first thing you want to do, go to textbroker.com. Then second thing you want to do, you want to open a Google Docs. Again, you're going to spend an hour, 2 hours actually writing the article or speaking it, right? Once you have your article ready, you're going to go over to Grammarlycom, and that allow you to correct any type of errors, grammatic errors that you have. Super easy, so that you don't have to go through all those words yourself. And then you go back to TextBroker and you submit it. So it's free to sign up. You sign up here, and that's it. You just write, you speak, I call it speaking articles, and you get paid, right? You get paid, and the more you do it, the better you get. So this is a cool way to actually make money online, right? It's to submitting articles. And if by any chance you want to know what my #1 recommendation is to making a full-time income online, to building a profitable online business, make sure you hit that first link in the description and get all the details. You're gonna get access to some bonuses. You're gonna get access to some training, and also you're gonna get and within 15 days you're gonna get a business already set up for you, ready to make you profits, ready to make you money online, and it's really cool. So if you enjoyed this video, thank you for tuning in. That is all for today. Make sure you remember to hit like on the video and leave me your comments if you like it, and subscribe if you haven't. If you're a returning subscriber, well, welcome back. But if you're new, make sure you hit subscribe, and I'll see you next time. This is Michael de la Cruz. Hasta la pasta.